Hello everyone, I am Morva Saaty, a second-year PhD student at the Department of Computer Science at VT. I will present research titled Exergames and Nature. Technological innovation have led to negative lifestyle changes, with people spending a great many hours in front of screens and away from nature. However, technology can also help people connect with nature through exergames. There are different definitions of exergames, but we adopt this definition, which is any video game requiring users to be physically active or perform some kind of physical activity in order to play. Location-based GPS mobile exergames encourage users to move around the real world in order to make progress in the game. So free exploration of the outdoors during using some kinds of exergames provides opportunities for spending time engaged in outdoors. In this study, we used three exergames, Pokemon Go, Zombies Run, and Walkr, to explore how mobile exergames encourage people to spend more time in nature and engage them with nature. And to get you familiar with these exergames, I will provide a very short explanation for each of these exergames. Pokemon Go is a location-based augmented reality mobile game in which players need to walk and explore their physical surroundings to catch virtual Pokemon characters. Zombies Run is an immersive running mobile game in which players run from brain-hungry and bloody zombies through a series of missions. And also, Walkr is a fitness space adventure game which counts players' steps to help players earn fuel to explore the universe and move forward the gameplay. We conducted a direct study and post-study reflective activity with the students enrolled in the undergraduate HCI course. Participants were asked to play one of these exergames that I mentioned for the period at least 1 week for a minimum of 20 minutes per play session. Then all authors, including participants, took part in a brainstorming session to share their experiences and their thoughts regarding the research question. After the brainstorming session, I transcribed the participants' responses. Then two of the authors, which is me and Derek Hack, gathered to discuss the responses centered around spending time in outdoors and engaging users in nature. Prominent findings from our study were categorized according to the mobile exergames. Pokemon Go and Walkr gave participants a reason to go outside and explore different places in order to make progress in the game, but they did not motivate users to stay and spend time in nature for a long term. The apps also distracted them from nature sometimes because players needed to look at their mobile phones screens and do some activities in order to move forward in the gameplay. Zombies Run also help users go outside and they felt some kind of connection with nature, especially when the app's narrative was silent. So the players could hear the voice of the nature somehow. These are three considerations for exergame design that encourage people to engage more with the outdoors and interact with nature. Although all of the three apps motivated users to go outside, none of them explicitly encourage users to explore the places rich with nature. So designing mobile exergames that can recommend users certain locations such as green areas or incorporate social elements to provide in-person multiplaying can motivate users to spend more time in nature, subsequently encouraging them to connect with nature and engage more with the outdoors. In addition, mobile exergames that target exercises such as walking, running, biking, and so on have a strong potential to encourage users to engage more with the outdoors. Therefore, providing features that can draw the user's attention to nature can be beneficial. For example, providing a special rewards to the users who collect items in natural landscapes can incentivize users to engage more with the outdoors. Besides, the reviewed mobile exergames did not take proper safety actions. So designing mobile exergames needs to consider safety recommendations to help users be conscious of the surroundings. Results from this research indicated that while the current Exergames included motivation to go outside and spend time in the outdoors, they did not explicitly direct users to engage with the nature. Indeed, they often discourage or distract users from positive engagement with nature. So we plan to explore in greater detail how exactly to consider the mentioned design recommendations in design and develop of a location-based mobile Exer game to encourage players to engage in the outdoors. Now I look forward to any questions, comments, or suggestions you may have.